Hi, this is Vizi Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Amazon's notification. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon can notify you about purchases, shipments, and delivery delays by email, text message, or push notification from the Amazon app. It's even possible to enable all three types of notification and you'll be bombarded with duplicate notification whenever you order something. But while this can be useful, you probably don't want all three of them at once. Maybe you've decided you don't want notification at all, the package will get there when it gets there. In that case, in this video, I will show you how to manage your notification on Amazon. It's so simple. So you can just go to your settings on your phone. You don't need to open your Amazon app. Now you can go to apps. You can scroll down. You can go to apps. Really choose manage apps. And you can search for Amazon. This one. Choose on Amazon. Now you can scroll down. There is an option notification. You can just tap on that. So in here you can manage the notification you want. If you want to turn off all the notification from your Amazon app, you can just tap on the toggle in here. So all the notification on your Amazon will be mute. Or you want to just enable for the notification spotlight, notification page, and this one you can choose the notification category too in here. So here's in this section you can manage your notification for your Amazon app. So simple, right? So that is how to manage notification on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.